Okay. Okay. Now we are seeing COA structure. In the COA structure, we have to give segments. For COA structure, we have to give segments. So segments, we have to go to select, add values. COA structure, you have to create a segment. Segment was for COA structure. So segment. So value set code I have to assign. Okay. So value set code for company. Okay. Okay. Now segment label. Which segment label I have to assign for company? Which segment label?
Intra.
Huh?
Primary
Which
balance.
company name? Which company? Primary balancing segment.
Balancing
Intech.
segment.
That we have to. Okay. Next. Okay. So next we have to give next segment. What is the next segment? Company over department.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay. Segment. Department segment we have to give. Sorry. Department segment we have to give. Okay. Column name segment 2. Default value set for this. What we have to do? What we have to give? Default value set for the department. Hello.
35 more.
Okay. No. What value set I have to give? Department value set I have to assign.
Okay.
Okay. Now primary segment for this. Sorry, for segment label for this. For department.
Cost center segment.
Segment. Okay.
Okay.
Now next step. Next what?
Hello.
1 minute. So company department over. Next, what segment we have to give?
Account number. A company.
Account segment. Correct now?
Account segments. Yeah.
ACC segment. Correct now? ACC segment,
Yes, sir.
account segment. That we have to give. Okay, sequence number 3. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Sequence number 3. Now, display with I am preparing 8. Column name, segment 3.
Segment 3.
Default
Okay.
value set code. For this, what you have to do? What default value set we have to assign? What default
But-
set? Huh?
Buddy.
Account value set. That is Buddy Pharma account value set we have to.
Accounting
Ah.
knowledge set. Okay.
Now next segment labels. Which segment labels I have to assign? Which segment label we have to attach?
Future
This
one segment.
Huh?
Future one segment.
Future segment. Arey Ravi, what happened here?
No, sir. Like in that it was one segment was an few
Arey, account segment, yeah. I am asking account segment. For account segment, what is the segment label we have to use?
natural account.
Then you are telling something. What is this? What happened?
No, the options were there. No, sir. So I was telling.
See, options will be many, yeah, but for account segment, what is the segment label? That you have to correctly specify, no?
Natural account.
Natural account segment. Okay. Now
Okay,
next,
sir.
line of business. Correct now?
Yes.
Okay. Line of business segment. Okay. Now sequence number 4. Correct?
Okay.
So line of segment O. Okay. Column name, 4th segment. Segment 4 you have to choose.
Segment. Okay.
What value set for this? LOB segment, LOB value set. Line of business value set.
Okay. LOB. Okay.
Correct no?
Yes, sir.
So search. So LOB value set is we have to give. LOB value set. Yes. LOB value set.
Value
Yes.
set. Okay.
Okay. Now, what segment we have to assign for this? What segment? Second balancing segment. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next. Future segment. Correct no?
Yes, sir.
Future segment. Future
Yes,
segment. So okay, 5. Okay.
After selecting the second balancing segment, we have to get the future segment.
Pardon,
Okay?
pardon? Huh?
After selecting the second balancing segment,
Ah.
in that we have to create a future segment. Huh?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
No, no, no. This is segment labels. Segment labels we are attaching with this future with these respective segments. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Future segment is separate now. See, a company, department, accounts, LOB, line of business. Then future segment. For what we are doing? For why we are adding future segment? Because in case if there is
In
an
case of
expansion,
okay.
if there is expansion of business, at the time it is easy for you to add this. Once created, we can't change it. No, that's why. So
Okay.
we are making provision for future. Okay.
You
So
can in fact add one more future sec. Sorry, sir. You can in fact add one more. It is not only a must. You can usually either add one or two also.
yeah.
Two, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so it is not that we're not stopping only till one. It is right now we are just opening a new industry, no? So we're just showing it simply for you. But like big organizations and all, they might keep three future segments for the future because they'll be having big plans, right? To maybe open branches in different countries across the globe and all that. So just to give provision because you can't add at the later stage. So that is the reason we have to give the future segments. And this secondary balancing segment is for our divisions like the pharma and herbal, different line of business.
Okay.
I hope you're clear with that primary segment and the secondary balancing segment.
Balancing.
Yeah? Okay, you're clear with that topic, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So you got the future segment thing also clear? It's clear for you,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So please, sir, continue.
Yeah. So future segment, it's clear, no? Now it's clear for you. So we have created 5 segments: company, department, accounts, LOB, and future segment. Okay. Okay. Now next, what we have to do? Very important. Next, we have to
Create the enterprise.
No, not enterprise. We have
Legal
to create
entity.
Legal entity. Okay.
legal entity. Yeah. Not yeah. We have created structures and we have given assignments. No, in the structure, in chart of account structure, we have added segments. Next, structure instance. Structure instance we have to give, no.
Then this.
Structure instance. So structure instance we have to create. Structure instance. Now here structure name. Already we have created now structure name. That we have to create. That we have to select. What structure name? Buddy Pharma COA structure. 1 minute. Buddy Pharma COA structure. You select, no? See. Whatever segment we have created, it is coming. So we have to
Create a new one.
required. You have to select it and press OK. Okay. Then here department segment. Like that required, you have to make it. This segment is required. So whatever segment required, it's all we have to make it as required. Okay. Then LOB segment required. Okay. Buddy Pharma future segment required. Okay. So chart of account structure over. Okay.
It shows some error though.
Okay. So it is not getting saved. So
Okay.
structure instance we have to create. 1 minute already
Okay.
created. It's not getting saved. 1 minute again. Line of business that you have to select and require. So all
Required.
segments,
Okay.
yeah. Then
Yeah, each segment code you have to individually select and assign
And,
it. So that you
okay.
can see here the required field, it is getting tick marked whenever
Tick
sir
mark,
is
yes, ma'am.
yeah.
so now COA instance structure. Okay, we have created COA structure instance. Okay.
Instance.
Now next is deploy flex field. Deploy
Okay.
flex. See whatever structures we created, no. So, deployment status. Okay. So whatever flex fields we have done and structures and all, we have to click deploy. So system will check if there is any error and all, it will
It will
display.
show pop up.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Actually, what is the correct meaning for deploy flex field, sir?
Eh?
Deploy flex field.
Yeah.
What is the correct meaning for
Yeah,
that?
it will validate
Okay.
the flex fields what we have created, no segments
Yes, sir.
values and
Yes,
all.
yes.
So in flex fields we have given, no, it will validate. So deployment
Okay.
completed successfully. What is that? In flex field,
Okay.
whatever the values we have given, no.
Yes, sir.
So it
CFC,
will
yes.
check, it will validate the, and if there is any error, that is called deploying.
Okay. Okay.
So now there is no error. So
Okay.
deployment status, nothing is there. Okay, no
Okay.
error. So green tick. Okay. Now
Okay.
after this you have to give values, assign values,
Okay. Okay.
assign values for the segment. So
Rent roll.
Here common application, ledgers,
Rent roll.
accounting configuration. Sorry, define enterprise structure for finance. Define enterprise for financial and define financial reporting structures. And define chart of account. Now we have to give a value. Value
Okay.
to for each segment we have to give. This I have not taken in the previous class. So now
Okay.
I have to, I'm up to this you already whatever previous class same thing I have repeated. Now this is new for you. Anyway, I'm now I am going to take this. So we have to give values for each segment.
Okay.
So first we have to search. See, these are all the value set. Okay,
Okay.
these are all the value set. 1 minute.
Value.
These are all the value set. This way. So we have to give value set for this.
Okay.
First you select company. Okay, company value set.
Okay.
Here manage values. Manage values. So you
Okay.
now you have to add values for this. How to add? Here. Click create.
Okay.
Now value is suppose I am giving 1000. Company name but default. That's all. So allow posting, yes. Allow posting means specify whether posting is allowed or not for a given segment value. Okay. See, when you pass an entry, that account combination,
Yes,
that posting whether it is allowed or not, it's asking, and allow budgeting. Yes or no? Yes. So save. So for company, you are given the value. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, next is one. So value set first company over. Next department value set. Okay. Okay. Now department manage values. Manage values.
Okay.
Add. Now the value, first of all, you have to give default value. Default value you have to give. I will tell you the reason for giving the default value. Okay. So you put it as default. Okay. I will tell you the reason at the creation of primary ledger. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am giving 2000 value. Now accounts. Right.
Okay.
2001. Sales. marketing. Okay, just we can keep this. So save and close. Okay, so for department we are given. Then account. Accounts we have to create. Sorry. For accounts we have to give values. For accounts we have to give values.
Value.
For account segment we have to give values. So if you click here, you have to give values. So 3,000 retained earnings. Retained earnings.
Earnings. Okay.
What is meant by retained earnings? Anybody? This screen, no? You are given the segment label as natural accounting segment. Right here, see, earlier you are given the primary balancing segment. So up to this only the screen is. Okay. Now, because of giving that natural accounting segment, additional 4 fields got created. Additional 4 columns. Account type, third party control,
Yes, sir.
finance. Now you know the difference of giving the segment. It is a
Yes, sir.
segment label. Of assigning segment label, another 4 columns got added. This is natural segment. You have assigned the natural segment to account. Natural accounting segment to segment label to accounting segment, account segment. Okay. So retained earnings. What is the account type? It is bonus equity. Okay.
Okay.
Retained
Okay.
earnings is
Okay.
nothing but the profit which is not distributed. Okay.
Okay.
The profit which will be distributed, usually they will distribute to shareholders. Sometimes a portion of it may not be distributed. They will keep it. Okay. So that is called retained earnings, which will be carried forwarded to next year. Okay. That is called retained earnings. It is owner's equity. Okay.
Okay.
Now 4,000. Cash. Account type. Asset.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then 4,001. And okay. This is asset.
Yes, sir.
Next. Liability. 5,000. Understand what I am telling? Payable. It's liability. And I left out, no? This one important thing I left out. Asset in that receivables I have to add. 4,002 receivable. Called liability. Okay. Then
Okay.
okay. Now 5,001. Loan. Loan
Sir,
and
sorry,
advance.
sir. Why is receivables a liability, sir?
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, I wrongly. Asset. Sorry. See,
yeah.
I have clicked no that it got
No,
changed.
no problem, sir. Yeah.
Correct. Thanks,
No
ma'am.
problem.
Then
No
loans and
problem, sir.
advances. This is liability. Now, you understand what I'm doing? Hello, Ravi?
Yes, sir, creating, managing results.
Why I am not giving serially? See, I am checking in between, no? I am giving 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Do you understand why I am giving like this? Why I am giving like this? You understand, no? 3,000
Yeah, yes, sir.
bonus equity, 4,000 for asset, 4,000 for liability. Why?
Creating value segments and all.
No. Based on the account type, I am segregating. See, based on the account type, I am giving the values. See, if the account type from 3,000 to 3,999 is owner's equity, 4,000 to 4,999 is asset. Easily we can identify. In order to identify, that's why I am giving this.
Okay.
Okay. You understand what I am
See,
telling?
do you remember that ICICI Bank example that I had given? The department, there's a delimiter which segregates your, separates your segment values. So you're giving a segment value here for each account type. So then your company 1,000 hyphen, then if you want to see receivables, it will come as 4,002 hyphen, like that.
Okay.
You know, so now you're giving values, it will separate your segment values. So that's the reason sir is giving all these values, you know, and it is giving in a way so that you can recognize tomorrow, you know, when you want to find out something, you want to query a report or something. So it'll easily you can recognize, okay, 5,000 is payables instead of typing payables completely. No, it's basically for your identification. Yeah.
Salary. Salary what? Account type. Ravi.
Salary, it is revenue.
What is that? Which account type
Expense.
I have to? Huh? Expense. Very good. Rent paid. Hello.
Rent paid expense.
Oh, okay. Now, this what it's there? Purchase. Account type.
Okay.
Huh? Which account type I have to use for purchase?
Expense.
Okay, good. Okay. So like this we have to give. So now I have given now expense, liability, asset, owner's equity. Now next is what? 5 things, so 5 account types. What is that? Owner's equity? Hello? Come on, yeah.
Yeah, bonus equity. I don't.
Owner's equity, one account type. Asset, expense, liability. Another thing. Another. Revenue. Correct, no?
Okay. Okay.
What happened, Ravi? What type? What is the account type for sales? Huh? Revenue.
Revenue.
Okay. So this way we have created the account types. Natural accounting segment. Okay. So
Okay.
okay, account type. And one more thing, this third party control account, whereas you have, for example, in this customer control, supplier control and all, it will come in the accounts receivable and accounts payable. Okay. So that will be there. This restrict GL means manual entry. You are restricting. So nobody will give this. So that is why third party control account. If there is any third party control for this, then third party control. But none of this is applicable to this. That is why we are giving no. Okay. And reconciliation. Individual line-wise reconciliation. If you want, you can. If you click yes, it will reconcile. Okay. And apart from that, another the thing is that I couldn't able to show you. Okay. Another thing is system financial category. This is for reporting purpose. Okay. If you want, you can give it payables, which you have to choose accordingly. You have to give. Okay. That is financial category. Then after this you can save. So for account segment, we have given the value set. So next, what you have to do? Next, for which value set we have to give? LOB. LOB, line of business. That we have to create. That we have to that we have to give value for this. Yes. Line of business and for feature segment, we have to give values.
Okay.
So line of business here. So line of business value set.
Okay.
Then you have to manage values. You have to add value.
Okay.
Ma'am, is 1 minute more, ma'am?
Yes, I think you can finish this, no, line of business.
Yeah.
It'll take time. Oh, I think it's less than 1 minute, sir. It's okay. We'll continue line of business tomorrow.
Line of business. Shall we continue another session or tomorrow we'll make it?
Ask them, sir. I think he has to get back to work also, no, Durai, I think. Yeah.
Durai, is
yes,
it
sir,
okay
it's
for you?
already. No, sir, no, sir. It's already time for me.
Okay.
Okay. We'll do it tomorrow. No problem.
Tomorrow. Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
Okay, then see you everyone. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Yeah, thank you, sir. Yeah.